Step 1. Find a suitable parking space. Choose a spot that's wide enough for your car, ideally with clear painted markings on the ground. Visible lines give you boundaries to guide your car into the correct position. Step 2. Position your vehicle correctly for entry. Align the side mirror of your car with the boundary line of the chosen space. Step 3. Check your surroundings before reversing. Use both side mirrors, the rearview mirror, and glance over your shoulder. Be aware of pedestrians, cyclists, or approaching vehicles. Step 4. Once it's safe, steer away from the parking space. Turn your steering wheel to the left and roll forward slightly until you can see the corner of the space clearly in your right side mirror. Step 5. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right. Shift into reverse and back up slowly, guiding your car carefully into the parking space. Step 6. Straighten the wheels as the car enters fully. Continue reversing gently until your car is centered and parallel between the lines and any surrounding vehicles.